Start off with general inspection. This one's got a lot of neck skin still going on. We're going to remove that first. Just have to trim the fat off of those. The first thing we do here is we're gonna teach the arm to French itself. We don't want to do it. So you're gonna make a cut into that membrane, and you're gonna end right above the elbow. And then you're going to reverse the joint. It's gonna sound brutal. And that's what you want to see, just like that. Notice how as soon as the bone was exposed, I pushed it away. What that does is that pulls the flesh down, and it will French itself. When you coast, it'll tighten right up and expose the whole bone. So one more time. Again, right above the arm. Reverse the joint. Cool. What's that? Are you allergic to chicken? My dog is.
Whenever it's in that.
Yeah. Can you imagine having to buy special food for a dog who's allergic to chicken? Chicken's in every dog food. Literally. She's a princess. She really is. So, especially with these young birds, you'll notice that a lot of times the wishbone is already broken. Just gotta be careful, because the wishbone, when it breaks, can be very sharp. Okay, so careful putting your fingers in there. And when the head of the wishbone does not come out, that means it's going to be connected to your keel bone when you get inside. So same thing here. We're going to take the whole quarter off, and nothing's going to be different until I get to the drum itself. So again, making that perpendicular cut. I'm still batting 1,000. Go back to that in a moment. And always try to keep things cold. If you're not working on them, they should be on ice. All right? I missed a little bit of meat there. But okay. That horizontal cut. Sorry, perpendicular cut. Still winning at life. Now you can also do this on the other side. Come about a quarter inch into that line of fat. You go right through. So you can do it either way. And I wish I would mess it up so I could show you what to do if you miss it. But. So you'll notice that on the drums, if you push the skin, it wants to go a certain way. You can see it. It's going around that way, right? So what we want to do is, I actually should have done this with the legs still intact, but right where it starts to widen, you want to cut all the way around it and all the way down to the bone. Okay? If you have tendons coming out like that, keep a good grip on them. And those should go into your stock. We'll do both. And if you're more comfortable holding it down on the cutting board, that's absolutely fine. I just kind of pick mine up when I do it, so I can totally miss that. That's okay. When you do this for competition, the judges actually want you to remove the tendons from the leg, which is super difficult. You have to use tweezers for that. Okay, so now you can see it definitely wants to go in that direction, right? So you're going to bring it in that direction. And that's going to expose the top, right? Then you're going to take the back of your knife and scrape along the bone until you get to the cap, that cartilage cap, and you're going to pop it off. And there's a little tendon on the inside that holds it to the bone. Should really try to clean that up. Usually it comes off a lot quicker. That is a Frenched. Same thing on the other one. And again, this is easier if you leave the leg connected. There's more to hold on to. So my mistake there. I should not have showed you this. I should have showed you with the thigh still attached. There we go. Got it perfectly that time. So nice and clean that is. And then, also for competition, what they usually do is take off the cap right there. You don't have to do that. So, just like before, right? Follow that line out. And back, oops, back to the backbone. What is that? Clean those. That is, you don't want that in your stock necessarily. It's going to cloud up your stock. That. That. There's the spot. Read it like a book. If you pinch on the way out, it goes underneath, see, pinch, and then you can pull it back. This one's going to come out nice and clean. There's just that little bit where it's connected there, which you can also pinch off. Okay. Now this, you got to be careful. This part's the same, but then when you come back here, so you want to come this way. There's the joint. So once you turn it, you come back here and go through the joint. Okay. And then same as before, we'll score to open it up. Tenderloin. Tenderloin. There's that bone from the wishbone. You want to be careful here. Try not to take off too much meat. You only want to get that connective tissue. A little bit of meat comes off, it's okay, but you don't want to lose too much. So that is your airline breast. When it cooks, that'll tighten up. It's just done for appearance. But in classical French cuisine, a whole chicken feeds 4 people. Every serving has boneless meat. Every serving has 1 exposed bone. So what they would do is they would bone out the thigh, and the boneless thigh would go with the top half of the breast with this bone. The leg would go with the bottom half of the breast. So everybody gets white meat, everybody gets dark meat, everybody gets fancy bones sticking out. That's classical French. Questions, comments, concerns? Say it again. That will conclude all of my chicken tonight. Well, what I was scheduled to cut. This is literally one of my favorite things to do. When I ran my own restaurant, I never let anybody else do it. It was partially because I was the best at it, and partially because I enjoy it. Same thing with like butchering fish. I need to stop there. Okay, my nails are short.
And there's 2 more ducks on the floor for you to out of the lap.
Word.
Actually,
There it is. Cool. Yep. I'll do a whole nother one. You go ahead and stop over there.